Giyag-yag sa partido ng Bagong Pilipino Party List ang ilang plataporma kung palaran nga masulod sa party list sa umalabot piliay ning Mayo 12 tuig 2025. Atol sa press conference nga gipahigayon sa Dakbayan sa Cagayan de Oro, gibatbat ni first nominee nga si Attorney Gregorio Ogoyo Larrazabal nga bida ang barangay sa ilang partido ug isa sa ilang gipaningkamutan ang luwas, limpyo nga panubig, medical supply sa mga barangay, health center ug uban pang benepisyo nga direktang makaabot sa mga konstituente nga dili kay gakaabtan og serbisyo kun underserved.
Barangays to establish and maintain community water systems with the LGU and to expand access to clean and safe drinking water in underprivileged communities through subsidies and public-private partnerships. Ikaduha, protection of water ecosystems. The bill intends to enforce stricter penalties for water pollution by industrial and commercial entities. It's intended to strengthen environmental laws to protect esteros, watersheds, rivers, and other water resources. The third proposed bill is a Climate Resilient Water Systems Act. The intention of the bill is to promote development, adaptation of rainwater harvesting systems in urban and rural areas, develop disaster-resilient water infrastructure to address risks posed by typhoons, drought, and flooding. O siya tulong sa proposed legislation for water. For the barangay healthcare, 3 bills. Essential Medicine and Supplies Accessibility Act. The intention is to streamline procurement and distribution systems to ensure barangay health centers are consistently stocked with essential medicines, vaccines, and medical supplies. It's also intended to subsidize life-saving medication for indigent patients through the BHC. Una-unaha, ang mga barangay health centers nato ay medisina. For natin mga mabasa ng artikulo na yung mga medisina na nag-expire, gawa na hatag. Second is the Primary Care First Initiative. Intention is to shift the focus of the barangay healthcare centers to preventive care, early diagnosis, and chronic disease management. It's also intended to implement health education programs at the barangay level, focusing on nutrition, maternal health, sanitation, and disease prevention. The third proposed bill is the Barangay Digital Health Integration Act. I love this because this is what I personally want to do in the next 3 years. Equip the BHCs with electronic health record systems to improve patient data management and ensure continuity of care. It's also intended to promote telemedicine platforms to connect BHCs with urban hospitals and specialists. The fourth bill is to reinvigorate the Doctors Labaris program. Okay, kinato, Doctors Labaris program was very popular but medyo now nakalimutan na. If you notice, ang mga bills na mo, it's not centered on a value. It's centered on a particular service to the community. Policies that intends to help give better services, especially to the underserved. So, mo na siyang barangay.
Gipaabot usab niining suportado ang gipasa nga balaod nga Magna Carta for Barangay Health Workers gumikan deserve nila nga makapinipisyo og mahatagan sa pagtagad.
The healthcare down to the barangay, so you can better track diseases, you can better prepare, you can better predict trends, and that will allow the government to provide better healthcare services, not only sa municipal level, but down sa barangay.
Samtang gipasalig usab niini nga kung palaron sa piliay, mahatag kini nga mga pasalig.
We are focused on delivering the services we promise to the constituents if granted the opportunity to serve. We are simply put, we are aligned with the people we will serve in the next 3 years. Because I think that's the focus. You should not be anchored on personalities, but you should be anchored on the people who you're supposed to serve when you're in government.
Si Attorney Larrazabal ang kanhi Comelec Commissioners og nakabasi sa Leyte. Mao kadtong nahipos ng balita alang sa balitang lokal. Kini si Miss or Step Berganio sa Miss o Radio. Mo balita, mo alagad, mulingaw.